In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about Emergent AI. I've actually been using it for a while now, and I'm gonna give you the upsides and downsides of it. If you do want to try Emergent AI though, make sure you do so with the link below. Now, before we get started, I want you to know what Emergent AI is. It's an agentic platform that builds full-stack web and mobile applications from natural language descriptions. Now, it uses multi-agent AI to handle planning, coding, testing, and deployment. It's also designed for non-technical users like founders and designers, and it emulates a dev team without requiring code knowledge. So you have your own software development team at your disposal. To get started with Emergent AI, I want you to go to your Google search bar and type Emergent. Now we're going to choose the first link, which says app.emergent.sh. It's going to lead you to this page, and you're going to be asked to sign in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in, and this is what the dashboard looks like. The first thing you're going to notice as a user is that if you're using the free version, you can basically do nothing. You can only see the UI. You cannot do anything with the app, so you need to have some credits. The other thing I'd like to talk about is the fact that from the creating of the application to the execution of the application is usually very, very fast. So as you can see, this is a web application prompt that I used to create a web app that asks for ingredients using LLM to suggest recipes with steps and nutrition. I also asked it to include a simple UI with input form and output display. So this is the input form. If we type rice, mango, apple, and we generate recipe, it's going to use OpenAI LLM to generate the recipe for us. And as you see, it is also going to state the nutritional information that we're going to get from this recipe, and it's going to give us the ingredients and the cooking steps. Now, from inputting this prompt at 4:29 p.m. to the completion of the application, which was at 4:39 p.m., basically 10 minutes, it proves the fastness of Emergent AI and shows how easy it is to use. Another thing I also like to talk about is that it provides you with full ownership of the code. And once you click on the project and you close this, click on info, you can click this to find your code. It's going to provide a VS code for you for the front end and back end, as you can see here, which is editable, and it supports one-click publishing. It also includes testing, which is more robust than snippet-based tools. Now, it's also versatile to use, and it handles complex features for non-coders. Now, aside all these great things that Emergent AI does, it does have a few cons. One of the cons I'd like to talk about is the credit-based system it uses. And for a simple fix, it can burn through a lot of quotas, and refunding is also usually denied because of bugs. It also has some reliability gaps, as the output usually needs some iteracy for accuracy. That being said, for my final take on Emergent AI, I'm going to give it a 4/5 for its rapidness, and I'm going to give it a 3/5 for its reliability. And it's usually best for solo entrepreneurs, but I'd advise you have a technical dev on board for production and handling of bugs. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.